Just gonna fix volume to make sure that's going good, okay?
What's the address of your emergency?
I don't know. I'm on Avoca Street. I need someone right now.
What street are you on?
Avoca.
Avoca?
Yeah.
Okay, what's going on?
I was supposed to meet my best friend for coffee. I think she's dead.
You think your best friend is dead? Are you able to check what the address is? Okay. All right, we're going to get help on the way here.
Hello?
Yep, I'm here. I'm right here. Okay. All right, just take some deep breaths, okay? What's going on?
I don't know. She's full of blood laying in her bed.
She's full of blood?
Yeah.
Okay. Is she breathing at all?
I don't know. I don't want to touch her. She won't answer me. She won't wake up.
Okay, can you see her chest rising and falling at all?
No, I can't look at her.
Okay, how old is she?
46.
46? Okay. Okay. So you don't know if she's breathing?
I'm sitting by her door in her bedroom on the floor.
Okay. Are you able to just walk outside and see what the address is?
1605, I think.
1605. Okay.
It's right on the corner.
Okay. Just take some deep breaths. Do you know if there is an AED available?
I don't know what that means.
Okay. That's okay. Okay, we're getting people on the way right now, okay? And are you by her right now?
She's in her bed and I'm on the floor at her bedroom door.
Okay. It's okay. What's her name? Hello?
It's Jennifer Dazey.
Jennifer Dazey?
Yes.
Okay. And what's your name? Is the door unlocked, do you know?
Yes, it's unlocked.
Okay. What's your name?
I'm a Kristy Follman.
You're Kristy?
Yeah.
Okay. Kristy, Yep, they're on the way right now. There should be an officer coming up right now.
Please hurry.
Yep, they're coming. It's okay. Okay, I believe. Can you see the officer?
I don't know. Can I get out? I don't know.
Okay. Okay, it's okay. There's an officer. There's an officer pulling up right now. Okay, is he there? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna hang up with you. Okay.
State calls Brad Hasselbacher.
You swear or affirm that the testimony you give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Go ahead and have a seat there. State your name and spell it for the record, please.
Officer Brad Hasselbacher, Hesselbacher.
Go ahead, counsel.
Thank you, Judge. Good morning, officer. How are you today?
Good.
Good. And I see you are in uniform. Are you currently employed as a City of Dubuque police officer?
I am.
And how long have you been employed as a City of Dubuque police officer?
14 years.
And prior to that, did you work in any other agencies of law enforcement?
I did. The city of Milwaukee in Wisconsin for 3 years.
For 3 years. So, did you say 14 years in Dubuque?
I did, correct.
17 years of law enforcement experience?
Correct.
Okay. Prior to that, I believe you told me you were a truck driver?
That's correct.
Okay. And so in order to become a Milwaukee police officer, do they have their own law enforcement academy?
They do. It's a 26-week academy.
And did you participate in that and graduate?
I did.
And so when you transferred employment to City of Dubuque, did that training transfer to the state of Iowa?
It did, other than taking a written test to show I understood Iowa code.
Okay. And did you complete that?
I did.
Okay. And as a City of Dubuque police officer, you are required to complete continuing education, trainings, and things like that. Are yours all up to date?
They are.
Okay. So generally, as a City of Dubuque peace officer, what are some of your tasks you deal with regularly?
Traffic enforcement, handling calls, dispatch to us, domestics, disturbances, all sorts of animal calls, all sorts of different.
Okay. And are you currently stationed in patrol?
I am.
And would it be fair to say that patrol, every day you come into work, you're not really sure what's going to happen?
Correct.
Okay. And so would you agree that January 18th, 2024 was kind of one of those days, officer?
It was.
Okay. So tell me about January 18th. What was your shift that day?
Shift 1, 5 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Okay. And is that your typical shift?
It is.
All right. And dispatch had sent you to 1605 Avoca Street at some point. Can you tell me about that?
I was dispatched to 1605 Avoca Street. All I knew was we had a deceased person at that location.
Okay, is that what dispatch was reporting to you?
Correct.
Okay, so all you knew as you arrived was that there was a deceased person inside?
Correct.
Okay, so tell me about what you did when you arrived at 1605 Avoca Street.
When I arrived, I knocked on the door. I didn't receive an answer.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm going to interrupt you.
Yep.
And you arrived there at 8:51 a.m.?
Correct.
Okay, go ahead. I'm sorry about that.
I knocked on the door, didn't receive an answer. As I was standing there, I heard somebody crying inside. So I checked the doorknob. Door was unlocked. So I announced myself and went inside. Hearing the sobbing, I went to where I heard the sobbing, which was the bedroom where I observed Kristy at the foot of the bed, and she was just sobbing hysterically. She couldn't really tell me anything at that point, so I went into the bedroom, which was dark. There was no lights on, and I observed Jennifer Dazey deceased on the bed with a laceration to her scalp, and fingers were severed. And so then I exited the bedroom to where Kristy, she had gone out to the kitchen, which was maybe 10 or 15 feet away. And at that time, Officer Slight was coming in, and I informed him of what we had. And we began talking to Kristy. And she advised us that Tyler could still be in the house.
Okay. When you arrived to the scene, you had no information that there was anyone else inside the home, right?
Correct.
Okay. And when you walked into the home, you kind of said you were walking towards the crying.
Correct.
And when you approached that bedroom door, tell me about how Kristy reacted to you.
She latched on to me right away.
Okay.
She was very scared, and so she latched on to me.
Okay. And at all times during this car, was part of your uniform a body camera?
It was.
And was your body camera working and fully functional on January 18, 2024 at 8:51 a.m.?
It was.
Okay. May I approach?
Yes.
Officer, I'm handing you a flash drive which contains, here you go, which contains a clip of your body-worn camera footage from January 18, 2024. Have you reviewed that footage?
I have.
Oh, and is it accurate as you remember it at that scene?
It is.
Move to admit State's Exhibit 6.
Any objection?
No objection.
6 is admitted.
May I publish?
Yes.
And the lights, please.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Please come here. I don't know what they did.
And officer, where that clip came out, cut off at the end, that was when you were approaching Kristy and then taking her out of the residence, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Did you have any other involvement in this investigation?
No.
Okay. Thank you, officer.
Cross-examination.
When the clip cuts out, you went and collected Miss Follamn?
I did.
Okay. Where was she?
In the kitchen area, kind of right behind where I was.
Okay. And was she right next to the back door?
She was near the back door.
Okay. Do you know whether or not the back door was locked at that time?
I do not know.
As you were entering the house, and I think we saw it on your body camera, did you see the red truck in the driveway?
I did.
Okay. Nothing further?
No. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You're free to go.
Say would call Wilkins DeJuste. May I check to see his status, Judge?
Yes, go ahead.